Now I'm explaining the traditional pranayam present in all over the world. You see, when you find spiritual quacks as medical quacks, when there are many medical good doctors, they try to give the correct treatment. Without diagnosis, medicine cannot be given. If you are having very high symptom of temperature or pain, there is some symptomatic medicines are there, but complete medicine cannot be prescribed without proper diagnosis. But many medical quacks are wandering and they publicize that big doctors are very bad, and they will just write so many tests, X-ray, MRI, this and that. You have to spend a lot of money, and I will give you the medicine of 2 rupees or $1. Take it and you will be healed. This is called the spiritual, this is called medical quacks. Exactly in the same way, there are spiritual quacks. I want to learn Kriya Yoga. I have read autobiography of Yogi 20 years before, but I was searching Kriya Yoga, I couldn't get it. In the same autobiography of Yogi, there is one leaflet present. It writes that Yogananda has written lessons. If you are interested, you can fill up the forms. Lessons will go to your homes. But we are not interested in that. We want somebody should cook the Kriya Yoga food like toast and butter and put in the mouth, and we just swallow it. If you have to learn it, if you are having real devotion, we will meet the person who is knowing it, then we must demonstrate the highest devotion in learning. Then you will reach the correct place. But when you start reading the lessons of Yogananda, that is a starting journey. When we read, we are not able to understand it because we don't practice. Sometimes we keep on reading, we don't practice. Sometimes we are practicing and practicing, we don't read. Then we need both things. Reading either through listening, reading through the ears, or through the books, printed materials, then practicing same time. Therefore the practice given here, it is the combination of writing and practical application. What you listen, that is written form in the sound waves. Then you practice together. Therefore practice and reading goes together. We need like this practice. The most important thing, if we are interested in Kriya Yoga, forget Kriya Yoga. Devotion in God is the great. Become devotee of God. How to become devotee? Don't worry. Bring 1 kg sweets, some flowers. Offer this is God. And have one song. After that cook pudding. Have nice sweet. This devotion is very good. We are having nice food also. Good fragrance of the flowers. Nice creation of music. This is called spiritual quacksness. You cannot get realization by singing or by eating or by having the fragrance of the roses. How you will get it? In order to have correct practice. Why we are not having correct practice? We don't have deep desire to learn spirituality. Regarding pranayama, in all over the world, it is misinterpreted. Pranayama is the science of breath. Then what is the breath? We take this phenomena, incoming, outgoing air in the nose, in the nostril, in the lungs. We have selected this as separate chapter. Bone is separate chapter. Physical exercise separate chapter. Breathing exercise next chapter. We have divided it. In reality, take the lungs. It is fully connected with the heart fully connected with the whole body. You cannot separate a respiratory system away. You cannot keep it away from the body. All systems are integrated. Therefore, many spiritual quakes who were not having proper time to practice. They are having just a hobby to write and to spread the message and demonstrate that we are big writer. They wrote incorrectly everything. They explained that breathing exercise is pranayama, and the imaginary they formulated, that is called the left-right nostril breathing. After that, Kapalbhati, Bhastrika, Ujjayi, Shitali Pranayam, so many kind of breathing exercises. They wrote a book, and they keep on adding it more and more. When they write pranayama as breathing exercise, then they are writing chemistry of blood, they are writing physiology, they are writing combination of the oxygen and hemoglobin. So many things they will keep on adding, biochemistry, keep on adding all anatomy, physiology, everything. Then they make a big book. This is pranayama. Oh, nice publication I got. Pranayama, 1,000 pages, one book. Very good publication. Who told very good publication? Because we are guided by quantity, visual quantity. If you have big car, you are big person. You have big house, you are big person. In the same way, you have purchased big book on the pranayama, 1,000 pages, having 300 photographs and all bibliography. So many textbooks are given, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pathology. So many scientist references are given. Oh, this is the best book. And that is bogus book. What is the present system of writing the book? They will write and they will put bibliography. So many. It means you have copied from there. What you have experienced? Nothing. We have taken 10 books and collected from there and written next book. This is called most quacks practice of writing a book. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, nobody has, Vedavyas have never said bibliography, Vedas, Upanishad, this and that. No, this is exclusive book. Holy Science written by Swami Yukteswar Giri has never given any bibliography that he has taken anything from anywhere. When you eat the food or sweet, when you say this mango is sweet, oh don't worry, this mango is sweet, I will give you reference books. There are 1,000 books, they explain mango is sweet. Therefore when I eat, I say sweet, it is correct. Who told this? Who is going to get reference books in order to prove that what I am eating mango is sweet? This is called foolishness. This is called weak mental tendencies. That we are writing a book with so many index unnecessarily. Therefore, pranayama does not mean breathing exercise. Pran means life. Ayam means structure and function of the life, properties of the life. Life has become head to toes. Life has become bones and muscles. Life has become eyes and ear. Life has become the all phenomena within body. Body expands, contracts. Life has become this. Keep on concentrating on head to toes. Never try to exclude any portion of it. Never say separately that breathing, this is circulatory system, this is endocrinology, this is excretory system. This is all called the quacks education. Pranayama explains, you have to learn what is the structure function of pran and what is the pran. Pran has become sky. Pran has become air, pran has become sunlight, pran has become electricity, pran has become earth, pran has become atom molecules, pran has become plants also. But I want to learn it scientifically so that mistakes should not be there. Then pran has become head to toes also. Then keep on concentrating on it. There will be least mistake. When I concentrate on plant, there will be more mistake because plant is away from me. Therefore, concentration on head to toes with the deepest devotion in order to understand it clearly is the science of pranayama. Different breathing exercise is not science of pranayama. Now we are ready to practice pranayama and we are going to read also. Then how to read and practice? When you listen philosophy, that is reading with the help of ear. and what you are listening, we are practicing same time. It means we are reading and doing experiment together. That is called the perfect education. Now we are ready to do it.